Merry Christmas, Catherine.
Oh, Ricky, thank you. How do you find the time? Replacement wiper blades, thanks. That's so thoughtful. All I need now is a car.
Happy Christmas, mate.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Well, it is exciting. Oh, it's a mug.
Wait for it.
I bring the noise mug. Well, that'll go well with the many others in my dressing room.
Hey guys, where's my present? Oh, the big one. It's ginormous. You shouldn't have.
Oh, I didn't make any air holes. The air, it tastes so good. Merry Christmas.
Does anyone keep a receipt or... Can I exchange it for something else?
Please welcome your team captains, Nicole Scherzinger and Tiny Temper, and your host, Ricky Wilson.
Bring the noise on Sky One, the show where the biggest names in entertainment come together to celebrate everything we love about music. On Nicole's team tonight we have Joel Dommett and David Walliams! And on Tiny's team, it's Catherine Ryan and friend of the show, Melanie C. As always, making the music happen. It's our house band, The Noise!
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Yeah! Welcome to Bring the Noise. On Team Scherzi this week, can we have a huge round of applause for David Walliams?
Thank you.
David,
Hello.
what are you hoping that Santa brings you this year?
World peace. That's what I'd like. I don't want any presents. I just want to bring peace and harmony to the world. And some book tokens as well. Just those two things.
Book tokens and world peace.
Yeah. Is that for me, really?
I got you a present, yeah.
That's very... Why are you holding it that height?
Yeah, I got you a present.
Is this really for me?
Yeah. Oh, they're good.
That's really nice. I've got some slippers,
Yeti slippers.
Some comfy slippers.
I hope they're your size, because I bet you've got really big feet.
I have got very big feet. You know what that means?
They're like the Abominable Snowman.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think you look lovely.
Are they sexy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I reuse the paper?
Of course you can. And back after her starring appearance earlier in the series is friend of the show, Melanie C, everybody. Melanie is a woman with 3 consecutive Christmas #1s under her belt.
It's just as tough. I need to know the way to feel to keep me satisfied. Goodbye, my friend. You said you're gonna, I can still feel you here. So glad we made it. Time will never change it. No.
Saying goodbye actually brought a bit of a tear to my eye. Because it's about Jerry going.
Is it?
It's a very sad song, yeah.
It was very subtle.
I decided to leave some crackers on your desks. Yeah, just pull them at each other. Just let's go for it. Okay.
You won. That's your hat.
Okay, I got mine. Okay. Yeah. Ah! Right, everyone should have a joke. Mr. Williams, have you got one?
What does a festive pie and David Walliams have in common?
I don't know, David.
They both have extra mints.
Sporty Spice, what's yours?
What does a Kaiser chief sing after Christmas?
Is it I Predict a Diet?
Yay!
Fun. Have you got a joke, Joel?
What do you see if you provoke an elf?
What?
A tiny temper. Good joke. Good joke. It's a really good joke. I really like that.
I got you a present for that joke.
Thanks very much,
As
mate.
a present, do you want to?
Thank you very much.
You can open that joke.
Very nice. Oh.
You know, I have a quick question while Joe's opening that. You all have, everybody has different dialects. David's dialect, he sounds quite, like, fancy, like, it's part of royalty.
I'm sort of basically royalty.
You were just laughing right now, and it was like,
I was trying to be seductive.
I bought him some beard baubles, but he doesn't seem to put any in his beard.
Oh, were they beard?
They're beard baubles, yeah.
Oh, I really fucked that up, didn't I? I've really committed to the hair baubles.
Leave them in, Joel. They're nice.
oh, they're little balls on your beard.
You've had balls on your chin before, haven't you?
I want to get this Christmas extravaganza underway. Let's do it. Come on.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another day? The power of love, a force from above, leading my soul. Skies turn, turning the mountain. The boys of the NYPD chorus still singing "Go Away Bride," and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Seeing as it's the ultimate Christmas party, all 6 of you are going to play this, so come up and play Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree.
Okay. If you'd like to line up in a line down here.
Line up
In your team. Line up in a line. You happy with those baubles on your beard for this, Joel?
I feel like a turkey with those little things underneath.
I'm just tickling the balls now.
The rules are simple. The band will play Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, and you need to skip around the tree. When the music stops, you need to run in to the big tree and grab a present. We will take away a present after each round until we have a winner. Is that clear?
Yes.
Can I use David's things, his slippers, instead of these heels?
That'd be cute as a button, Nicole.
Okay.
Right, have you got the game? You're
But I
rocking...
don't want to be at a disadvantage.
Okay.
I'll take mine off as well.
No, Joel.
We're all doing it. It's Christmas.
I can run faster probably without the trousers as well if I could just... I could just slip these off. Could I just...
Okay.
You want to run fast, don't you? That's the idea of the game.
If only you'd shaved your legs, they would have been
Extra speed.
I think I can see your baubles.
I can we can all see your bubbles.
Your Christmas sack. You're showing.
All right, okay. This wasn't meant to be smutty. You know what? I'd feel a lot more comfortable if everyone took their trousers off.
I genuinely would, but I've got grey boxer shorts. I just went to the toilet. There's a little wee stain. There's a little weed stain. If anyone's got a hairdryer, I'll happily take my clothes off. I mean, I'll do it with the wee stain. Is everyone comfortable with the fact there's a small wee stain?
He wants to do it. You know you want to do it. Just do it, Joel. What are you doing?
Oh, it's a big stain. It's a really big stain.
It's just a wee stain.
Joel,
Oh, that's not nice. You've really lowered the tone.
Sometimes I was in a rush when I needed to go to the toilet.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, whose Christmas sweater is that?
It was one of the presents off the tree.
Thought I had a chance with Nicole until now. I'm half naked with wee stains with bloody balls in my beard. I'm like a right prick.
Just want to get it back to the game. Is everyone clear about the rules?
Yeah, strip poker.
You're rocking around.
Yes, exactly.
Can you just start rocking around the Christmas tree, please? Come on, the noise.
Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party.
When the music stops, grab a present. The person that doesn't get a present is out of the game.
David got it. Mel, David got it fair and square, Mel. Wow, it was like Black Friday. You'd like to take a seat, Mel?
I thought you were one of the nice ones.
Melanie, you're out. And I'll take that present off you.
Really shocked at you. Really shocked at you.
Give me back your present. Give me back your present. I'm gonna know you because you'll put it too high up. I know you.
It's the best thing I've seen.
If everyone can you all look that way while I secrete the presents around this tree?
Secrete. Secrete.
Talking about secretion. Okay, right,
Guys.
What is this show?
rock around the Christmas tree. Oh, Catherine! Catherine is out. Well done, Catherine. Team
Thanks,
Tiny.
guys.
You got one. You got one. There you go. There's another one out. Okay. Well done, guys. Team Tiny, you're the only one representing your team now.
Oh, shit.
This looks amazing.
Free balling.
Okay, is everyone ready?
I like it.
Rock around it. I knew they'd be the undoing of you, Nicole.
It's okay.
Nicole is out.
It's all right. I'm proud.
I'm sorry.
Still both my balls left in the team.
Oh, yes.
Lads, you're doing awfully well.
I did an overtaking maneuver. I apologise.
Tiny.
Keep going. Rock around that Christmas tree. Go for it, Tiny. Tiny.
Sorry.
Better tactics, yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's the final everybody wanted.
I mean, if anything, it proves that this technique works. What a technique. Trousers off.
Now it just looks like a very private camp Christmas morning.
Now we're playing for what's in this box.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to hide it around the tree. Don't look.
Sorry. Sorry.
Rock around the Christmas tree. Around the Christmas tree. Around, around. tree.
I won.
Well done. Open it up and have a look.
Some socks.
Oh, that for Christmas.
So the winner is David Williams, everybody. We're going to go for a break. Stay tuned for more. Bring the noise. Welcome back to Bring the Noise. It's time now to play a special Christmas edition of Flip Reverse It. David, you're up first, so come and join me over here. How are you doing, David?
I'm wonderful.
Feeling
I'm having-
Christmassy?
Very, very Christmassy now.
I know, it's infectious, isn't it?
Yes.
So, do you know the game?
I do, because I've seen the show before.
Oh, have you? What do you think?
I think it's absolutely wonderful, and the host is very dishy.
Well, this is Flip Reverse It, where we'll play you a line from a famous song played backwards.
Oh, yes.
You will then replicate that.
I know.
And then we will play that backwards.
Yeah, you will.
And then it will sound like the
Oh,
original.
yeah, we'll hear that, yes.
So, David, if you'd like to listen, use your ears to hear your flip, please.
Some say
Yeah, you're going to need the pen for this. Okay, let's hear it again. You can hear it as many times as you want.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
You sure?
Yeah, got it.
Hear it. Do you want to hear it again?
No.
No, you do.
Wait, David, let's hear it again.
Let's hear it again.
Something billy. Done it. Smashed it.
Okay.
Smashed it out of the park.
You got this, David.
Let's hear that backwards, if it helps.
Can we hear it again?
Yes.
It's so obvious, Nicole. Come on.
Yeah, exactly. You can't even
So
listen to
obvious.
it.
I can't believe you haven't got it.
You can't
I
even
thought you
listen
knew
to
about
it.
music.
Would you like another crack at it?
No.
Yes. Have
Okay,
another
all
crack.
right.
Hear it again.
Something billy billy billy. Come on. Come on.
Okay, should we hear that back, please?
He's so confident.
Billy 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 billy.
Is it Billie Jean?
Come on.
The first one was better.
It sounds like a Hungarian Christmas song.
Billy, 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 Billy,
Christmas.
Billy, 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 Billy.
Christmas.
Billy billy billy. Does that help?
Okay,
Billy billy
answer.
billy.
Have you got an answer?
By Lorla
With
Bamba?
that as well, with the little...
Billy 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 billy.
It's like you're milking a small person.
Yeah, no, it's like he's milking
The
a
action
goat's
you do
teeth.
when you sing the song. It was so obvious when you know it. Come on.
Yeah, I think we might know it.
Let's hear it again.
Just concentrate.
It is a Christmas song.
Billy 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 Christmas.
Of a Billy Christmas.
Don't you know it's Christmas?
Of a Billy Christmas. Ricky, don't cheat.
Is it Elf?
We be lonely this Christmas.
It is Lonely This
Oh my
Christmas.
God.
Well done.
Yes!
Cheated.
Did we cheat? That was full on cheating.
You guys, man, you guys play too dirty, man.
Computer says no.
Go on, it's Christmas. I'll give you that. Mel C, come up and play Flip Reverse It. Can I just check?
Yes.
If I'd have thrown it to your team, would you have guessed that?
No.
You wouldn't have got it?
No.
I don't feel bad about cheating it then. Can we hear Mel's flip, please? Is that all right? Again?
Hey, mini coma.
Hey, mini coma.
Shall I listen one more time?
Hey, mini coma.
Hey, Mimi Choma.
Oh. Pretty good then.
Okay, let's hear that backwards.
Hamochem in Bie.
I'm walking in the air.
I'm walking in the air. Let's hear it again. Let's hear it again.
Hamochem in Bie.
Well done, Mel. That's 1-1. Come on, Nicole. I know you're dying to play it. Come on up.
Let's do it.
Go on then.
I didn't know either of those songs.
I know. It's peculiarly British.
I love your dress, Nicole.
Thank you. She likes you as well. I like your twerky
Do you like my
sweater.
outfit? Yeah, I've gone for. I've got twerky little turkey on the front, and then on the back it's got the little twerk it's doing. It's supposed to be a bum, but it definitely looks like testicles.
Can you twerk, Joel?
What do I need to make it happen?
Just some music from the noise.
Oh, okay. I'll do it against Nicole. What? I'm gonna twerk against you.
Don't point that thing at her.
I'll do it against you, Ricky.
Okay, yeah.
Against you.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my God, he's really good.
I didn't know I could do that.
Had everything. It was moving.
Thanks so
It
much.
brought a tear to my eye, that routine.
It was definitely moving.
Okay, Nicole, let's hear your flip.
Yes, du fais some circuit de chez wow.
You're taking the mic tonight. Again?
Yes, du fais some circuit de chez wow.
Again?
Yes, du fais some circuit de chez wow.
And again.
Yes, du fais some circuit de chez wow.
I mean, seriously, guys. Really?
This is what the end. This is what and again.
Wait a second. Why do you, every time we do flip reverse, it looks like you're milking like a goat's teats or something? What is that?
We've all done it, Nicole. We've all milked a goat's
It
teeth.
goes like this.
It helps concentration, I find.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus, help me right now. Give it to me again.
Yes, du fais some circuit de chez wow.
Has duvet some silk et du rush dash the wow.
Oh,
I think we should hear that backwards. Come on.
it's gonna be a
I'm
disgrace.
sure it'll be fine.
It's gonna be great.
Oh, legit, sure Christmas every day.
Oh! I wish it could be Christmas every day.
He came through for me, David.
And I wish it could be Christmas every day. All right, let's hear it back.
Well done.
Well done.
Oh, legit, sure Christmas every day.
That makes it 2-1. You gotta get this, Tiny.
Yeah!
Go Tiny! Go Tiny!
Yes. Can we hear Tiny's flip, please?
Yes, the van, yes, it's no.
Easy.
I mean, people, come on.
It's not easy, you know. Can I hear it again?
Of course.
Yes, the van, yes, it's no.
Shush, no.
One more time.
Yes, the van, yes, it's no.
Yes, the van, yes, it's no.
So good.
Well done, Tiny.
So good.
Mel, Catherine, are you ready?
Yeah.
Won't you stay in my vessel?
I know.
Stay another day, 17.
Yes. Whoa.
Thank God, I don't know.
Won't you stay another day? Play back.
Won't you stay in my vessel?
That was very good. You'd like to return to your seat, which makes it a tie break, which means I have to do one. If you can play me my tie break flip, please.
Star här mycket som suksal.
And again.
Star här mycket som suksal.
And again.
Star här mycket som suksal.
Stå med vägna som stillsal.
Okay, if you think you know what it is, stand up and shout it out. Let's play it back, please.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart.
Yes, well done, Gather. Team Tiny, take it. It was last Christmas I gave you my heart.
But wait, before you even opened your face, she knew it. How is that possible?
Because you can hear it backwards and I might.
Because I've been on this show and I've been learning to start listening early. And I could feel like it was last Christmas. Did I ruin the game?
No.
No.
By being a genius?
You're playing the game.
It's a Christmas miracle!
Let's hear it back. Now we know it's last Christmas.
Last Christmas I gave him my heart.
So Tiny's team are this week's Flip Reverse It winners. We're going to take another break, so see you in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back to Bring the Noise Christmas special. Nicole, what are the normal Christmas traditions around the Scherzinger household?
Well, food. Like, we just
Food.
eat everything. It's like a Sunday roast,
Yeah.
but with extra fixins.
Do you have turkey?
We have turkey.
Or goose, if you're posh.
No, we have turkey. I had Christmas here last year. My dad he's from Kentucky, and he was like, man, that turkey's so expensive here. It's like really expensive. Like, the food is a lot more expensive here. We have chicken and dumplings. Do y'all have that?
No, they do not.
And we have broccoli. We have broccoli and cheese casserole, and sweet potato casserole, and mashed potatoes.
This is the sexiest thing you've ever done on the show.
And then for dessert, we have pumpkin pie and pecan pie and Kentucky Derby bourbon pie.
Pie.
And we have
Pie. Pie.
we have brownies, we have cakes, like we just eat. And then we give away gifts.
Pie.
Okay, so we play a lot of games. Do y'all play games?
Oh, yes. Oh, we play games, Nicole, yes.
What kind of games do you play, David?
We play, well, things like charades.
Yeah, we play charades. We play do you know
Charades,
Heads Up?
yeah.
Charades. It
Yeah,
sounds
charades,
so fun.
yeah.
Charades, Nicole.
We're like
Carry
charades.
on
He's
with
like
your
charades.
Yes,
It's
it's the English language, yeah, charades.
Fancier, fancier version.
Yeah.
We play charades. We play Heads Up.
Charades, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, carry on, yeah.
And then we play like poker and cards all
Blimey.
night long, like we're
All
Lionel
night long.
Richie.
Here's a quick pop quiz for you. I might have a present for who gets this right. Can anyone tell me who the only artist in history to have a number 1 and a number 2 at the same time, but with different acts is?
I know.
You know?
I know the answer.
What is it?
Well, the answer is it was Band Aid at number 1.
Mm-hmm.
And George Michael was singing on that, and he also sung on Last Christmas, Wham, that was number 2. So he was number 1 and number 2 at the same time.
Another gift.
Well done, David. You get another present.
Is that how you open gifts?
Yeah, I opened them like that.
Here it is. It's George
That
Michael.
wasn't worth having.
I want one of those.
I
I quite like the look of that.
There you go. We've actually found a very early cut of the classic Band-Aid video from 1984, and it features someone who looks very similar to Joel. Have a look.
Just for this, yeah. It's one of those things where you get a chance to stay with it. Okay, should we go inside now? What? So there you go.
It's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and we banish shade. And in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world at Christmas time. But say a prayer. Pray for the other ones at Christmas time. It's fun, but when you're having fun, there's no world outside your window, and it's a world of dread and fear, where the only water flows. Look at us, big on tears. And the Christmas bells that we hear are the clanging chimes of doom. Well, tonight, thank God it's them instead of you. And there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. The greatest gift they'll get this year is life. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's no choice to make. We'll sing it out all night. We'll make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the
That was brilliant, Joel.
Thanks very much, mate.
I love that.
Starting to think I should probably change my hair.
I've never seen you look better.
Thank you. The double denim is certainly in there.
Another famous Christmas number 2 is Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. Nicole, you're a fan of that song, right?
Yeah, I love that song. Who doesn't love that song? Great song.
Here it is.
Just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
How can you not feel Christmassy after that? Everyone feeling Christmassy?
Yeah.
No one epitomises the Christmas hit quite like Mariah does. Anyone know what her demands were when she flew in to turn on the Christmas lights in London a couple of years back?
Well, Mariah Carey is notorious for her, like, diva demands, but Nicole, have you ever had any American interactions with Ms. Mariah Carey?
I met her. I was singing at an event in New York, and I actually kind of skivvied on by her, and she was lovely. So
Yeah.
Well, apparently she demanded pink confetti shaped like butterflies, 100 white doves, 80 security guards, a giant pink carpet, and 1 Rolls Royce.
I can't believe she would demand all that.
Well, you know, you don't ask, you don't get.
Mine's like turkey, jerky, and Jack Daniels.
Party.
I think we should play a game. And as it's Christmas and the last show of the series, we thought we'd wheel out the big guns for this, and it's going to be Nicole versus Tiny. We're going to play All I Want for Christmas Is. Come on over, guys.
In time with Mariah Carey's classic, All I Want for Christmas Is You, you'll be shown various divas on the screens along with their outrageous demands. All you need to do is guess which one of the options of their outrageous demands is the real one.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
All clear?
Yeah.
Okay, Tiny, you'll be going first. Nicole, if you'd like to sashay over here, mind your phrase. Your tassels. Okay, Tiny, you ready?
Yeah.
Band, you ready? So let's go.
Come on, Tiny.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. All I want for Christmas is.
One's wrong, one's right. Just name the right one.
Rose petals.
No, it's toiletry. Which is it? Which is it?
12 packet of Monster Munch.
Yes!
A room full of wigs.
Yes!
15 bodyguards. A vegan chef.
No, it's a live lobster! Nicole, it's you next. You're next, one. One's wrong, one's right. Just name the right one. You got a game, right? In time and the music.
A bowl of raw broccoli.
No! Toilet paper.
A sniffer dog.
Yes, it is!
Shreddies.
No!
An eyebrow assistant.
Yes! Come on. You know this.
A German Shepherd.
No! Nicole's got two, Tiny's got two. It's a draw. Time for a really quick break now. We'll be back shortly with more noise.
Welcome back to Bring the Noise. You know what I like about a traditional Christmas? I like the nativity.
Yeah.
And I thought I'd set up a Bring the Noise special nativity on the screen. There you go. And of course, no nativity would be complete without our three beautiful angels overseeing everything.
Beautiful.
We finally got to play angels. Mel's kind of looks real.
Let's go. And also, you've got to have a Virgin Mary and Joseph there. David, do you see yourself as a Virgin Mary?
I went to an all-boys school and I played the Virgin Mary in the nativity play.
Did you?
And a lot of people say it's the definitive portrayal of her.
Of course, you've got to have the baby Jesus. There he is.
Knew it.
Does that mean I'm going to be the bell?
No, Joe, we've saved you the best part of all.
I like how the ears are poking through the hair as well.
That's great. Are you saying that I'm an ass?
It's time for us to sing for our Christmas dinner now, so you lot go off and get ready. Go on. To finish off the series and see in Christmas, this is a special noise performance of some Yuletide classics.
Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank, an old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, oh, rare old Mountain Dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you.
You promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome.
You were pretty, queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they howled out for more. Tonight we were swinging, our drunks they were singing.
Well, that's got us in the seasonal spirit, so how about a Christmas movie? Head to On Demand, where we've got a whole bunch, from Elf to Die Hard, so I'm pretty sure you'll find something to tickle your festive fancy.